for your purchase. We hope you enjoy it. Check out amsterdseatoys.com/castle for instructions on how to build your first castle. Then see how many other designs you can create with Jen. Thank you, Jen, for sending us this castle. It is really, really cool. I'm going to have the castle. Hey, look, this is the prince. Woohoo! That's me! Wow! I think this is like where they stand on, you see? Like, look, this is where they stand on. And then this is window. We are building with those awesome magnets. So you're gonna get those two like bridge kind. They're like empty in the middle. You're gonna connect them together like that, like this. So look like this, like kind of like that. Yeah. Okay. So you have these two like window, kind of like half window or something. They're like windows. So you're gonna connect two of them together. So then you're gonna get one of those. You're gonna put it on one side, and then I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna put it down. So this is how it will look.
So then you pick it up and then you connect it in the back.
So then you're gonna have to do one more. Put everything in, then we're gonna connect it. Like that. And so then you're gonna get this and like break, don't break. Okay, there.
Oh,
No, it's not. .com for sponsoring this video. And the link will be below if you guys want to buy this Princess Magnetic Castle. Give a thumbs up and comment. And please like and subscribe.